In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the measurement units in Microsoft Word to centimeters. If you work with international page sizes, print layouts, or specifications that use the metric system, this quick setting will make your rulers, margins, and layout tools much easier to read. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Any document will do because this is an application-wide setting, not just for a single file. Once Word is open, head to the top left corner and click File. That takes you to the Backstage view, where Word's main settings and document controls live. At the bottom of that left-hand menu, select Options. If your window is small, you might need to scroll to see it. Clicking Options opens the Word Options window, which is where you can customize how Word behaves. On the left side of the Word Options window, click Advanced. This section contains a long list of detailed settings. Don't worry if it looks busy, we're only going to adjust one thing. Now scroll down until you find the Display section. You can use your mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the right to get there. In the Display section, look for the line that says Show Measurements in Units of. This drop-down controls how Word shows distances and sizes throughout the program. Open that drop-down and choose centimeters. This one change affects the rulers along the top and left of your document, as well as margin settings, paragraph indents, tab stops, and any dialog boxes where you enter measurements. If you're used to working in centimeters for design specs or school formatting requirements, this keeps everything consistent. After you've selected centimeters, click OK at the bottom of the Word Options window to apply the change. As soon as you do, Word updates the interface. If your rulers are visible, you'll see them switch to centimeters right away. If they aren't visible, that's fine. The setting still takes effect, and you'll notice centimeters the next time you adjust margins, indents, or other layout measurements. From now on, your rulers, margins, and other measurement fields will display in centimeters across Word on this computer. It's a global preference that sticks even when you open new or existing documents, and you can switch back to another unit at any time by returning to the same drop-down. That's all there is to it. A small tweak, but it can save you a lot of time and prevent conversion mistakes when you're laying out pages or following metric-based guidelines. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to keep exploring Word's options to make the app work exactly the way you like.